Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 3058th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, I know I promised I'd get out in front of the camera and do a proper video in my studio tonight, but the signal changed so quickly. I just finished my analysis. Markets won't open for another half an hour, and because the signal changed, I thought I'd get a quick video out to you right now. This video is for trading on Tuesday, April 21st, 2026, video number 3058. Please remember how risky it is trading. Never trade without protective stops. This is a risky game. Don't let anybody fool you. Put your stops in. What's in front of us? NASDAQ daily bar. We talked about we had a top one, and we were testing a double top two. When we got there with the green bar, I said, boy, a confirmation day would now be nice, so we need to wait for Monday. Did we get a confirmation day? Let's put Monday's bar in, and absolutely not. It's not a confirmation bar. So we didn't quite get a confirmation bar that we'd be above the double top, and guess what just happened? OMNI turns to the dark side. Let me grab this. OMNI turns to the dark side in NASDAQ for trading Tuesday. OMNI wants me to sell the rallies. We're at a double top. Confirmation day did not happen on Monday. I will accept the OMNI signal, but the interesting thing is no matter what the situation was, I accept the OMNI signal. You know what I mean? I don't argue with it ever. OMNI says jump. I ask how high. We play the game. Round and round we go. So OMNI says sell the rallies. If you can get a fill in NASDAQ, ES, we'll see what happens. I wanted to show this to you because we were quite bullish Sunday for trading Monday. And guess what? The OMNI killed it on Monday. Thank you for getting long. Thank you, OMNI. But we're flat because we're day traders. And the signal changed from bullish to bearish. So I wanted to get that out to you right now so you're prepared before markets open. I am going to now post this video as quickly as I can. It'll be out before markets open on Monday evening for trading Tuesday. Remember, traders, two things. One, thank you for all you do. We really appreciate you. Your comments, please leave them below. We love your patronage. Thank you for everything you do. And two, remember, stop sorting. Emotions are rock and roll, traders. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this helps. Go to livewithoscar.com right now and sign into my free live trading room. No credit cards, no nonsense. Absolutely free. Join me at livewithoscar.com.